Listen, guys. My name is Tariq. I was born and raised in Syria and came to the US 3 years ago. I already gave this speech, but there's new people, so I want to say this again. The Syrian revolution against the long, brutal dictatorship of the Assad regime started back in March 2011. Since then, more than 100,000 Syrians were killed, and many more have been detained and tortured. 1 in 3 Syrians have been displaced and forced to become a refugee in their country or neighboring countries. 10 days ago, there was a chemical attack on Ghouta of Damascus, where over 1,000 people were killed, including over 400 children. Since then, the US government has declared that there will be a military action to punish the regime, not to overthrow the regime. And as much I would like to see the regime fall, the attack, even if it killed Bashar, will not free Syria, and it will cause more death, more destruction, and more chaos. But let's be careful that the call against the US intervention does not become a way to cover up the Syrian regime crimes. The US government is not a friend of Syria and never has been. For 2.5 years, the US and its allies like Qatar and Saudi, Russia, Iran, and Hezbollah have been funding the war in Syria and feeding the flame of violence on all sides. This must stop. For the Syrian revolution to succeed, the foreign powers must leave Syria for the Syrians. And I mean all foreign powers. Iran, Saudi, Qatar, the US. I want the Assad regime to fall. I want to stop the violence from all sides, to start to build a new democratic, secular Syrian state. I don't want the US government to intervene or any other government. You guys must ask your governments to stop feeding the war. You must help the Syrians by donating for food, water, and medicine, and shelter. We all need to work together to stop the suffering of the Syrian people. And the first step to do this is to overthrow the current regime that have led to everything happening right now. No to Assad regime, no to US intervention, and no to Islamist extremists, no to war. That's what we're here for today, and that's what we should focus on. Thank you.